Hello everyone, I'm David with First Edition First Aid Training and welcome to our FAQ video series. Today's question is in regards to the monthly inspection of an AED. So the first one we want to look for is a green flashing light. So in the case, there's a little sight glass right there. You can look through there. If you can't see it through there, pull it up, take it out, and we're looking for that little green light. It'll go off in a second, right there, right above the power button. So make sure that's blinking. If it's green, it's good. If it's anything else, you need to check it. Second, it'll beep at you. If there's something wrong, you'll hear this thing beep constantly. So if there's beeping, it also needs to be serviced. And then we want to look at the unit itself. Make sure there's no damage. The case that holds in the pads, make sure it's in good shape and put in properly. Make sure the battery in the back is holding and not going to fall out. And then once we look at all that, we want to look at our expiry dates. So there's two expiry dates we want to look for. There's the pads and the batteries. So on the pads, if we look at the bottom, there's a little silver tag. Right on the top of that tag is a date, and that's the expiry date for the pads. And for the battery, we want to look at the back. And right on the top, there's our expiry for our battery. When you put the battery into the machine, you want to mark that date down, because after 4 years from when you put the battery in, it's also time to get a new battery. So that's it for the monthly checks. If you want a tag so you can mark all that stuff on, we can provide tags. They just kind of look like that. They have a list with dates and what you checked. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.